Hey, good morning everybody. It is Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, Mosquito Lagoon Sight Fishing Charters, and Florida Nearshore Fishing Charters. And thank you for watching my new YouTube channel here, ATFAOR, All Things Fishing and Outdoors Reviews. And basically I created this channel. It's a sister channel of my main YouTube channel that I've had for a long time. And what I'm going to do here is I got onto an influencer affiliate program a few years ago, and in my line of work I get people sending me products constantly saying, hey, what do you think of this, what do you think of that? So I started doing stuff to where I can promote things. Helps you, helps me. Every now and then I'm going to be doing giveaways on here, and you can even comment below. I might do a giveaway on this particular product right here, and after I talk about it here, I want you guys to comment, tell me, hey, yeah, do a giveaway on this, we like this. It's pretty simple to do. And also please subscribe and like to this channel, and you know, tag somebody, send it to them, have them do this. So as I said, I'm an influencer, and as an influencer affiliate, a team member, sometimes I do earn commissions on certain things at no cost to you. So there's a disclosure right there. But what I want to talk about is this little headlamp that was sent to me from this company. It's a 220-degree silicone headlamp. And every now and then I get some stuff that's pretty cool. It's lightweight, it's pretty cool, it's adjustable. And what I like about it the most is it's got, you know, it also comes with the hardware for a hard hat and whatnot. But if I'm walking my dog or riding my bike, I thought it was pretty cool. Or even, you know, I was thinking this is perfect for a kayaker. It's got the red lights that you turn on. It'll go low, and then it'll flash also. I don't know if you can see, I'll do it one more time. And the cost point is perfect. They're not that much. Waterproof, they last. I left this on overnight. It was still on this morning, so it's going to go for more than a few hours, that's for sure. And you know, unless you're out there at dark, I'm only using it in the, you know, when I'm walking my dog 10 minutes. But let's see, it's got that, then it's got that one. Let's put that on flash. So I figured, heck, when I'm walking rusty, man, I'm going to wear this. It's pretty cool. People can see me, I can see. You know, comes with a USB charger, all that kind of good stuff, which we've got tons of those around. There's the white flash right there. The material is really cool too. It's very, very soft, I want to say. It's not hard or rough or anything. It feels definitely waterproof. Nice little quality. You've got the USB-C right there, charger. Like I said, we've all got tons of these laying around. But yeah, I'm going to put the link below if you're interested in getting one of these. It'll take you to my Amazon page, the Amazon link. And like I said, it's a great product. I like it. Like I said, comment below what y'all's thoughts are on me doing a giveaway on a couple of these and whatnot. You know, basically the way the giveaways work is I'll say comment, like, subscribe, and then I'll have you comment something, then I'll do a random comment picker, validate you, and then I'll ship it to you. I do this on my other channel a lot